Hello and welcome back to my channel. My name is Maida and you're watching Maida Pours. Thank you so much for joining me today. If it's your first time here, you are very welcome. And if you're a returning viewer, well, thank you so much for coming back. And I'm sorry that I have been gone for so long. The holidays really took over my house and vernishing took over my table and my time was just non-existent. So I have not been able to paint or film a painting in a very long time. I just did my first painting. I didn't film it because I just wanted to do it. And now I'm ready to film one and share it with y'all for the new year. Happy 2022. It's so good to see you guys. Okay, let's go over the color palette here and the type of pour. Type of pour is going to be a traveling straight pour on a 15 by 30 inch canvas. This one is actually gallery wrapped level 3 fancy canvas. Fancy canvas, guys. Okay, anyway. And my palette is, I'm using mostly Golden Fluid acrylics today. I have Iridescent Gold Fine, Payne's Gray. This is Phthalo Turquoise. I have it right here, Phthalo Turquoise. And Quinacridone Magenta right here. And then this one is Folk Art Iridescent Gold Blue Aqua, which I just love this color. It's such a pretty color. And I'm hoping that I actually get kind of a purpley vibe going on with this magenta going into all of these blues. I actually kind of want to see my paints mixed together a little bit. We'll see if that happens. I don't know, we'll see. Anyway, I'm definitely gonna fill up 1 cup. If I have extra, I will fill up a 2nd cup. And I'm gonna start with gold right here on the bottom, and then I'm gonna go in with a little magenta. I am kind of doing this like a clean pour, so to speak. I'm not dumping these colors in, I'm layering them carefully on top of each other, going with the Payne's Gray, and then I'm gonna go in with Phthalo Turquoise. So that's 1 cup, and I do still have some left in these cups, and I'm gonna go ahead okay. And that is that cup right there. So now I have 2 cups. I'm gonna go ahead and put them off to the side. I also have a little bit of this. This is actually like a mixture of the Quinacridone Magenta and the Payne's Gray just as a flow extender. I thinned it down a little bit. I'm gonna go ahead and get these cups out of the way and we're gonna get to painting. Let's go. Okay, so I've got my 15 by 30 inch canvas with my 2 cups. I'm gonna set the smaller cup aside. That's gonna kind of ring around it, or we'll see what I do. But I'm going to do the first cup first. Well, I guess that's obvious, right? I guess you always do the first cup first. Okay, so I'm gonna start here on the left side of my canvas. It might look like the right side to you. I might have this flipped up there. And just gonna let this slowly travel down Definitely getting my purples that I wanted. Yes, that's what I wanted to see. Some beautiful blending there to get some nice cool purples. Ooh, there's my gold. I like this. I'm going to let it actually trail out. Okay, there's one cup, and remember I have my second cup here. And oh goodness gracious, I kind of love what's happening, so I'm going to pour another traveling pour, but kind of around this one. Yeah, like it is gonna cross over here. I'm being quiet because I'm just like concentrating on kind of getting the cool little ripples out. I'm just getting it. Whoop. Okay. I like this dark space in here. That might open out cool. And I like what's happening in here. And I am going to kind of use this flow extender around the edges of this piece in general. Well, yeah. Okay, just gonna step back for a moment and appreciate this just as it is. And think about how I want to tilt it. I am gonna torch. Oh, goodness gracious, that is some prettiness. So I don't have any gloves. I ran out of gloves, but you know, we live, we learn. I'm gonna try to tilt this over here to this corner first. Kind of just trying to walk it down over there. Get it over the corner a little bit, but not all the way. Pull it back down. And then I'm gonna do the same thing over to this top corner. I don't mind losing all of that actually. Tilt it and then bring it back. See it, it'll catch and it'll open up, and also I wanted to open up this darkness over here. And bring it back. Ooh, yeah. Kind of walking it back down to the side here, to this corner here, but I do want to, I think, hold on. Give me a second. Ooh, yeah. Look at that. Okay. Look at that. Okay, I want to open up that center. So I'm going to tilt all of it kind of down towards this corner. My hands are totes covered in paint, but I don't care. It's gorgeous. Okay. So we got that corner covered. And we're gonna pull it back. Sorry, I'm just kind of making sure my sides are covered here. Ooh, yeah, they are. Okay. Now we're gonna pull that back up to stretch it back up. Center a bit. And sort of stretch it down, open it up, going this way, just a bit more. I like the golden center. It feels like it glows out. I'm digging it. Okay, but I also love how I got my purples, yay. Didn't put any purple in it, but I knew that that quinacridone magenta would mix with that paint spray and all of it really in a way that would come up with some cool perps. Cool perps. Cool purples. Started to talk like my teenage boy, sorry. Okay, I officially have a teenager, guys, and it sort of freaks me out. He just turned 13 on December 4th. And yeah, he's amazing and awesome. Tweezers, or something that resembles tweezers. I couldn't find my actual tweezers, so I think I borrowed these from a, got it, from like a jewelry making kit or something, I don't know. Anyway, torching. This is mostly to pop bubbles. Ugh, look at this corner, look at this corner. I almost want to try to stretch that corner out more. Can I? I don't know. No, I don't think I can. I think I really got this stretched to the point it wants to stretch to comfortably. Comfortable stretching is always better than uncomfortable stretching. That's true with acrylic paint pouring and also just in general for those who stretch or do a little yoga. Oh. Okay, okay, I'm gonna do. I was really just like wanting to make sure I get all those air bubbles. I wasn't trying to have anything. There are a few little spots with, oh gosh, sorry, I'm speechless because I genuinely find this piece so beautiful. Oh my gosh, you guys, I love this. I love this. I love this. I love this. I love this whole thing. These colors are gorgeous. I love how the gold is in the center and it just kind of glows, especially like coming through with that magenta over there. Oh, it's beautiful. Yes. Yes, I am so happy with this piece and I'm so glad that I got to share it with all of you guys while I created it. I chose to do a straight pour today to share with you guys because on my community tab, this was sort of what, I did a little poll of what pour you'd like to see and straight pour won. So I decided to start the year with the straight pour. But oh, I just love, 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 love how this one came out. I would love to hear your, what you think about it in the comments. Also, like, what is it reminding you of? It's reminding me of like almost like an underwater experience, like looking up into the light. I don't know. It's gorgeous. I love it and I'm happy with it. Okay. Okay, you guys, thank you so much for watching. I'm of course gonna bring you in for a close-up, but as always, I appreciate you being here, taking the time to watch. Please do hit that thumbs up button. If you enjoyed the video, it helps so much with the algorithm, and if you enjoy acrylic paint pouring videos, consider subscribing because acrylic paint pouring is what I do here. I am still just in awe and breathtaking by this piece. And also check out the link in the description for my Facebook group, because my Facebook group is growing over there on Facebook, and I would love to continue the conversation with you over there, as well as here, because I'm better over there. I'm better over there than I am here about responding to comments, and I do apologize about that. I have to get caught up on my comments, and I'm gonna try, guys. I'm gonna try, and I appreciate every single one of them, so thank you. It's just been really busy around here, and my son did come down with COVID this week, so it's been a tough week in this house. I wasn't even sure if I was gonna get to paint, and I'm so excited that I did get to paint, and I'm so excited that I got to paint this gorgeous piece, because it brings me joy. I hope it brings you joy as well. I'm sorry for the rambling. Let's get in for that close-up. Let's go. Okay, let me bring you in here for this close-up. I am just absolutely loving this piece. Over here, it's like this lovely kind of blue cloudy effect. This corner, oh, it's just gorgeous. It's like the quinacridone magenta turned rose pink with that gold, and I love it with that soft blue. Oh my goodness. And then this like vibrant golden center that like flows into this glowing quinacridone with these cells. Ugh, I am just so happy with this piece. Happy 2022. Great start to the new year. Thank you so much for watching. You know I appreciate it, and I will see you guys next time. Bye-bye.